Usually you make a round hole. This is how you make a square one. Yes, I can. Yeah, I like it. Your first strike, very light. Never catch anything falling in the forge. Get out of the way, or you're gonna have a bad time. You can see here, you can see the mark that we've made there. That's where we're gonna drift through. That's right in the middle. Yeah, right in the middle. Push my hands away. We're getting a nice square hole. Get that hot once more. We'll be able to drift right through. See? Imagine that. You ever think you'd see somebody be like, hey, I'm gonna make a square hole today. So what are you talking about? And then the guy goes and does it. Now that plug wants to be a pain. Try and get it from the side here. There we are. And it's free. The birthing of a square hole. Look at that.